Today in this video, I will discuss osmosis and reverse osmosis. Osmosis. Suppose we have this container and we have applied this semi permeable membrane. This is also called parchment membrane or animal membrane. It can also be prepared artificially in the lab. Now, suppose we have taken pure solvent and this is solution. Obviously, pure solvent will be less concentrated and solution will be more concentrated. Solution will be more concentrated and pure solvent will be less concentrated. So, it has been observed that solvent molecules move from low concentration to high concentration side through this semi-permeable membrane. Only solvent molecules move from low concentration to high concentration side, and this is called osmosis. This process is called osmosis. The movement of solvent molecules from low concentration to high concentration side is called osmosis. And now, if we apply some pressure, on the high concentration side or the solution side, then if at a particular pressure pi, this phenomena of osmosis gets stopped, that is, there is no movement from low concentration to high concentration side, then that pressure is called osmotic pressure. This is called osmotic pressure. But if more than osmotic pressure is applied on the solution side or the high concentration side, then what will happen? Solvent molecules will start moving from high concentration to low concentration side, and this is called a reverse osmosis. This is called reverse osmosis, or in simple words, it is called RO system. Reverse osmosis means RO. And in water purifiers and other RO systems, this process is used because only solvent molecules will move from solution side to solvent side. And suppose in this container, if we have, you can say, dirty water, if we have sea water, then from sea water to pure solvent side, only the solvent molecules move, and this process is called desalination of seawater. This process is called desalination of seawater. So in nutshell, I would like to say, when solvent molecules move from low concentration to high concentration site, then it is called osmosis. And when solvent molecules will move from high concentration to low concentration site by applying some pressure on the solution side, then it is called reverse osmosis. And if in this case, in this container, we have taken sea water, then reverse osmosis of sea water is also called desalination of sea water. So this is what osmosis and reverse osmosis is all about. Thank you.